In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Outlook links in your default browser. This is a straightforward process that can enhance your user experience by ensuring that your preferred browser is always used when accessing links from Outlook. So let's get started. First, navigate to the Microsoft Outlook homepage. This is where you'll begin the process of setting up your Outlook account to seamlessly open links in your chosen browser. Once you're on the homepage, you'll want to locate and click on the Sign In button. This will take you to the login page where you can enter your details. Carefully type in your login credentials on the Sign In page, and remember to double check your information to avoid any errors. Once you're sure that everything is correct, go ahead and click the Next button to proceed. After successfully signing in, you'll find yourself on the Outlook dashboard. This is your central hub for managing emails, appointments, and other essential tasks. Now, before we move any further, there's an important point to consider. Ensure that the browser you intend to use is set as your computer's default browser. Doing this makes certain that every link you click will open in your chosen browser without prompting you to select a browser each time. To set your preferred browser as default, head over to the top right corner of the browser window you're using. There you'll see an icon typically represented by 3 dots or lines, indicating a settings menu. Click on these 3 dots, which will open up a drop-down menu offering various options. Look for the option that says something like Set Chrome as your default browser, or similar wording depending on the browser you are using. Select this option to make sure it becomes the system's go-to browser for all links. Once your default browser is set, return to your Outlook dashboard. You're now ready to test everything out. Locate a link within any of your emails or somewhere else on the Outlook dashboard. With the link in sight, go ahead and click it. You should see your default browser automatically open and direct you to the link you've clicked. This seamless transition not only saves you time, but also enhances your browsing experience by bringing consistency to how links are navigated from your emails. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to ensure that all links from Outlook open in the browser of your choice. By following these steps, you ensure a smooth, efficient workflow while using Outlook in conjunction with your preferred internet browser. Thanks for joining me in today's tutorial, and I hope you found this guide helpful. For more tips and tutorials like this, feel free to subscribe or follow along for more useful content. Enjoy browsing with your default browser and have a wonderful day.